Elon Musk recently introduced the teslabot Optimus Gen 5, highlighting its unprecedented abilities, including cooking a full meal in just 2 hours, which marks a significant leap for household robotics. Beyond culinary tasks, it can assist with laundry, a feat that will likely take other robotics companies, particularly in China, much longer to achieve. Over several design iterations, Tesla has refined the bot, with Gen 5 emerging as the most advanced, premium, and mass-producible version, with production potentially reaching 50 to 100 million units. Optimus promises to transform domestic life by performing chores and even offering personal services like massages, demonstrating capabilities that make human skepticism understandable yet irrelevant. Elon Musk has stated that Optimus could play a pivotal role in eradicating poverty and providing universal high income, building on his previous assertions about the robot's extraordinary potential. This humanoid is designed to tackle household tasks such as cooking, cleaning, and childcare, which could displace domestic workers, a fact Musk candidly acknowledges while emphasizing that AI and robotics will make work optional, allowing people to focus on personal projects or self-sufficiency. The robot's proficiency in cooking reflects its engineering breakthroughs, requiring precise coordination, perception, dexterity, and practical intelligence. Gen 5's ability to crack eggs, use pans, and cook meals perfectly represent a massive improvement over previous iterations. Tesla engineers trained Optimus extensively, expanding its operational tasks from 3,000 to 6,000, almost doubling its versatility compared to Gen 3. Its brain allows the bot to learn by watching tutorial videos and self-training in virtual environments before applying those skills in real-world settings, making it capable of preparing meals and completing household chores efficiently. Laundry, a complex sequence involving sorting, washing, drying, and folding, exemplifies the bot's intelligence and dexterity. Optimus must recognize fabric types, sort colors, measure detergent accurately, handle wet clothing with precise grip, and fold garments correctly. Skills even humans struggle to perform consistently. Its ability to learn from videos allows it to perform these tasks reliably, freeing households from tedious chores and demonstrating scalability that Musk predicts will surpass any prior consumer product, even smartphones. Elon Musk envisions Optimus as a ubiquitous presence akin to Star Wars droids, more intelligent and useful, assisting in complex tasks like surgery with precision exceeding human capability, potentially addressing global medical shortages. Tesla plans to mass-produce Optimus Gen 5 in enormous quantities, leveraging existing Tesla factories, supply chains, and autonomous vehicle technologies to create humanoid robots efficiently. Unlike other robotics companies, Tesla combines advanced AI, real-world dexterity, and scalable mass production, overcoming challenges in hand engineering and functional intelligence that have hindered other developers. The Gen 5 robot's hands mimic human dexterity, essential for tasks like cooking and manipulating objects, integrating cognitive intelligence with precise action coordination. Its development has involved extensive testing in dynamic environments, such as kitchens, which demand adaptability far beyond fixed industrial robotic arms. Musk asserts that Optimus could revolutionize healthcare by deploying millions of surgical robots capable of performing procedures with unmatched accuracy, addressing global shortages of skilled professionals, and making high-quality care accessible universally. Safety and security remain paramount, with measures including emergency stop functions, force limits, and sensitive sensors to prevent harm, alongside robust encryption and data protection to guard against cyber threats. While the bot will replace low-skill, repetitive jobs, it also creates opportunities for high-skill roles in AI, robotics, and system supervision, facilitating a shift toward creative, non-repetitive work. Tesla's expertise in industrial automation, full self-driving AI, and mass production uniquely positions it to lead in humanoid robotics, outpacing rivals like Boston Dynamics and emerging Chinese companies, who struggle with even basic locomotion and manipulation tasks. Optimus Gen 5 exemplifies the integration of durability, precision, and decision-making in real-life scenarios, offering the potential for widespread deployment in homes, factories, and medical facilities, transforming the labor landscape while establishing Tesla as a leader in global humanoid robotics. Musk's vision is ambitious yet grounded in Tesla's technical capabilities, promising a future where humans are relieved from monotonous tasks and empowered to focus on innovation and creativity, all while emphasizing safety, reliability, and ethical implementation. The combination of autonomous learning, dexterity, scalability, and human-centered design makes Optimus a landmark achievement in robotics, with profound implications for daily life, healthcare, and labor markets worldwide, ultimately aiming to enhance human capability and quality of life while demonstrating the transformative potential of AI-driven machines. The potential impact of Optimus Gen 5 extends far beyond households and healthcare, influencing entire industries and economies. Musk envisions a world where robots handle hazardous, repetitive, or physically demanding tasks, reducing workplace injuries and improving efficiency while allowing humans to pursue more meaningful and creative work. The integration of AI enables a robot to adapt to new tasks dynamically, learn from past experiences, and perform complex sequences with minimal supervision, creating a level of operational flexibility unmatched by traditional automation. Tesla's approach emphasizes a holistic ecosystem where robots are interconnected, learning collectively from the experiences of each unit, thereby accelerating the improvement of the entire fleet. This networked intelligence allows every robot to continuously refine its skills, from cooking and cleaning to industrial operations, surgical procedures, and caregiving, transforming human-robot interaction into a seamless, productive partnership. Musk has highlighted that mass deployment of Optimus robots could democratize access to essential services, such as healthcare, while also reducing costs and eliminating logistical bottlenecks, similar to how industrialization revolutionized manufacturing. Ethical and safety considerations are central to this vision, with strict protocols to prevent misuse, accidental harm, and cyber vulnerabilities, ensuring that the technology remains beneficial without threatening privacy or security. While critics raise concerns about job displacement, Musk emphasizes that history shows technological revolutions often shift labor rather than destroy it entirely, creating new opportunities in design, oversight, AI programming, maintenance, and innovation-driven fields. Tesla's unique combination of vehicle manufacturing expertise, AI development, robotics engineering, and industrial automation positions it to scale production of humanoid robots in ways competitors cannot match, giving Optimus a potential first-mover advantage in both domestic and industrial markets. Optimus Gen 5 is not only a marvel of engineering, but also a glimpse into a future where humanoid robots become an integral part of everyday life. Musk envisions a world where these robots handle repetitive, dangerous, or physically taxing work, allowing humans to dedicate time to creative, strategic, and meaningful pursuits. By combining dexterous hands, advanced AI learning, and real-world adaptability, Gen 5 can perform household chores such as cooking, cleaning, laundry, and even childcare with efficiency and precision that rivals or exceeds human capability. Its ability to learn from tutorial videos, simulate tasks virtually, and then flawlessly apply them in the real world makes it a highly intelligent, self-improving assistant. Beyond homes, Optimus could revolutionize industries in healthcare by performing complex surgical procedures with accuracy far beyond human limits, addressing global shortages of skilled professionals, and making high-quality medical care universally accessible. Musk highlights that Tesla's massive industrial production capacity, combined with its AI expertise and robotics engineering, allows the company to scale production of Gen 5 to unprecedented levels, potentially reaching tens of millions of units. Each robot benefits from shared learning across the fleet, accelerating improvements in efficiency, precision, and task versatility. Safety and security are core priorities, with strict protocols, force limits, emergency stops, and robust cybersecurity protecting both humans and sensitive data, ensuring that these robots operate safely in homes, workplaces, and medical environments. While concerns about job displacement are valid, history shows that automation shifts labor rather than eliminating it. The rise of Optimus will create new opportunities for AI engineers, technicians, supervisors, and creative professionals, fostering a workforce focused on innovation rather than repetitive manual labor. Gen 5's advanced design includes improved battery life, allowing up to 15 hours of continuous operation, enabling it to manage entire households or perform extended industrial or healthcare tasks. Its human-like mobility, perception, and dexterity distinguish it from existing robots, bridging the gap between automation and genuine human assistance. Musk's vision positions Optimus as a universal tool that can improve quality of life, enhance productivity, and expand human potential, demonstrating that robots can be both practical and transformative. From household chores to precision surgery, the Gen 5 teslabot exemplifies a new era of robotics where AI-driven machines augment human life, enabling people to focus on creativity, growth,